Slow English conversation. Listen and repeat after me. A. Good morning. Good morning. B. Good morning. How are you? Good morning. How are you? A. I am fine, thank you. And you? I am fine, thank you. And you? B. I am doing well. I am doing well. A. What are you doing today? What are you doing today? B. I am going to the market. I am going to the market. A. What do you want to buy? What do you want to buy? B. I want to buy some fruit and vegetables. I want to buy some fruit and vegetables. A. That sounds great. That sounds great. B. Would you like to come with me? Would you like to come with me? A. Yes, I would love to. Yes, I would love to. B. Let's go together. Let's go together. A. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. B. Thank you, you too. Thank you, you too. Practice tip. Read each sentence slowly, pause for 3 to 5 seconds, and repeat it aloud 2 or 3 times before moving to the next sentence. Slow English conversation. Listen and repeat after me. Part 2. A. Hello, nice to see you again. Hello, nice to see you again. B. Nice to see you too. Nice to see you too. A. Where are you going? Where are you going? B. I am going to the library. I am going to the library. A. Why are you going there? Why are you going there? B. I want to read an English book. I want to read an English book. A. That's a good habit. That's a good habit. B. I want to improve my English every day. I want to improve my English every day. A. How long do you study English? How long do you study English? B. I study for 1 hour every day. I study for 1 hour every day. A. Do you practice speaking? Do you practice speaking? B. Yes, I practice speaking every morning. Yes, I practice speaking every morning. A. That is excellent. Keep practicing. That is excellent. Keep practicing. B. Thank you. I will never give up. Thank you. I will never give up. A. You will speak English fluently one day. You will speak English fluently one day. B. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. A. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day. B. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Thank you. See you tomorrow.